Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Hey. Please don't go. Don't go away. I'm begging you to stay. La-di-da-di-dum. 'Cause I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Please don't go. Don't go away. I'm begging you to stay. Please don't go. Don't go away. Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie. Hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. So please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie. And today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Please don't go. Please don't go. DAGA, please don't GEGO. Go as in leave. MAAJAA. And so yeah, that's how we say it. Please don't go. I have no idea why that's the phrase, but you know, whatever. And yeah, good enough. Anything you want to add here, sweetie? Well, you know, just the usual. Don't forget to visit our Patreon page. It's in the link down here. And we also have a PayPal if you want to buy us a cup of coffee or a cup of makere mash kiki wabu or a cup of ani bish, you know, tea. And otherwise, just come on over to YouTube. We got some more videos and, you know, more music over there. So yeah, just that. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO. Okay, thank you. And you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I am Natasha. And I will see you again. Kiga wabamin. Minowa. Hoa. Hoa. All right, that was really good, sweetie. Oh, thank you so much. Hey, Stephen, how you doing today? I'm doing quite well, Natasha. How are you?
Late last night in my bedroom, a stranger came from beyond the moon, and he said he was here to learn and to teach that which was beyond our reach. His eyes were huge and his mouth was small. He moved like liquid at 4 feet tall. I was so scared I was screaming inside. Then he gave me a smoke. It eased my mind. We spoke about space and a lost earthling lover. I felt kinda strange when he asked, how's your how's she been since I've been away? electric blue light. An alien sat on my bed last night, and I saw my reflection in his ebony eyes. Then I knew the truth and I knew the lies. He said, you're my flesh and my blood, you're my precious one. You're my flesh and my blood, but it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. Earthling son.